Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning class. Today we are going to learn 10 new English words with their Hindi meanings. But let me tell you something important. Just learning words from dictionary, from books is not enough. Many times we read new words but after a few days we forget them. Why? What is the reason behind that? Because we don't use them in our daily life. That's why in this lesson we will not only learn the meaning of each word but also practice 5 useful sentences with every word. This way you will remember the words better and you can also use them in your speaking. So, are you ready to improve your English vocabulary? Let's start the video. Our first word is admire. Admire means होता है किसी की प्रशंसा करना, किसी की सराहना करना. Let's focus on the 5 sentences from the word of admire. I really admire her confidence. Repeat after me. I really admire her confidence. Children admire their parents. Children admire their parents. We should admire good qualities in others. We should admire good qualities in others. I admire the beauty of nature. I admire the beauty of nature. He admires his teacher a lot. He admires his teacher a lot. Okay, now moving ahead. Our second word is confident. Confident means होता है आत्मविश्वासी. She is very confident about her exam. She is very confident about her exam. He looks confident during the interview. He looks confident during the interview. A confident person inspires others. A confident person inspires others. Practice makes you confident. Practice makes you confident. I feel confident when I speak English daily. I feel confident when I speak English daily. Good. Our third word is habit. Habit means adat. Reading books is a good habit. Reading books is a good habit. He has a habit of waking up early. He has a habit of waking up early. Smoking is a bad habit. Smoking is a bad habit. We should build healthy habits. We should build healthy habits. Children learn habits from their parents. Children learn habits from their parents. Fourth word is journey. Journey means होता है यात्रा or we can say सफर. Life is a journey, not a race. Life is a journey, not a race. Our train journey was comfortable. Our train journey was comfortable. She enjoyed the journey by bus. She enjoyed the journey by bus. The journey from Delhi to Agra is short. Every journey teaches us something new. Every journey teaches us something new. Fifth word is polite. Polite means vinamr or we can say shishtachar wala, shisht. Always be polite with elders. Always be polite with elders. The waiter was very polite. The waiter was very polite. A polite person wins everyone's heart. A polite person wins everyone's heart. Teachers like polite students. Teachers like polite students. We should use polite words. We should use polite words. Sixth word is protect. Protect means bachana, or we can say suraksha karna. Parents protect their children. Parents protect their children. We must protect the environment. We must protect the environment. A soldier protects the nation. A soldier protects the nation. Sunscreen protects us from sunlight. Sunscreen protects us from sunlight. We should protect animals and birds. We should protect animals and birds. Now, seventh word is brave. Brave means होता है बहादुर. The brave soldier saved many lives. The brave soldier saved many lives. She is a brave girl. She is a brave girl. Brave people never give up. Brave people never give up. We should be brave in difficulties. We should be brave in difficulties. He showed a brave attitude in the accident. He showed a brave attitude in the accident. Eighth word is promise. Promise means होता है वादा. I promise to help you. I promise to help you. She always keeps her promises. She always keeps her promises. He broke his promise. He broke his promise. Promise me you will study daily. Promise me you will study daily. A true friend never breaks a promise. A true friend never breaks a promise. Now, ninth word, respect. Respect means होता है सम्मान करना. We should respect our teachers. We should respect our teachers. Everyone deserves respect. Everyone deserves respect. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Hard work earns respect. Hard work earns respect. She respects other people's opinions. She respects other people's opinion. Now, the last and final word is success. Success means safalta. Hard work is the key to success. Hard work is the key to success. She achieved great success in exams. She achieved great success in exams. Success needs discipline and patience. Success needs discipline and patience. Don't run after success, run after excellence. This is the dialogue from. Okay, if you know which movie's dialogue is this, let me know in the comment box. I repeat the sentence again. Don't run after success, run after excellence. Every failure is a step towards success. Every failure is a step towards success. Very good. So friends, these were today's 10 vocabulary words with Hindi meanings and example sentences. Don't just listen. Practice these sentences daily in your speaking. That's how you will remember them forever. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Till then, practice these all sentences and try to make other sentences from the words, okay? Keep growing, keep learning. Bye bye.